Good evening and welcome to another episode of WhyTravel.G6. It's me and Kylie tonight. We just finished painting the entire trailer frame. You'll have to wait for the episode on time lapse to see that. We did not bother with the regular filming because it wasn't that exciting. But the whole frame is painted now. Tonight we begin putting on the floor. So we're going to begin with a layer of moisture barrier, and then we're putting plywood on starting tonight. Very exciting. Cutting a massive piece of plastic for the trailer and taping it on there.
Plastic first?
Yeah. So we're gonna need, I don't know, masking tape if you want to get that roll of masking tape off there.
Okay. Blue
and then
or
we
white?
might need another roll from inside. May as well just get one.
Blue or white?
The white one. And then I'm gonna put my drink on the table. Get a piece of plywood out and up here maybe. Okay. Can you go to where I was just at and take this joint? Here. Onto the actual.
This is giving me Texas flashbacks.
Me too. I was thinking the
I'm
same
getting
thing.
stressed out.
Like, I was thinking the exact same thing. Like, oh my gosh, it's urgent. We had a campsite in our first huge road trip in Balmoral, Texas, where this massive storm blew through and we had to quick knock down our tent. It took us 11 minutes.
And then we woke up to that, like, it couldn't stop. And we woke up to
Like-
that sound of, like,
Yeah, it sounded like
ugh.
the whatever coming through the walls. I don't know what. Banshee. That's the one. Can you just take these on as well?
Yeah.
And I'm going to throw a piece of plywood up here. And we can get things going. That went better than I thought it would.
Better, like,
Given that it was windy and I was alone. When you got out here, it made it go out there. Don't touch without gloves or you'll definitely get splinters. Guaranteed. You can get gloves or you can just let me do it.
I think I'm
You're going to just let me do it?
Is that where you
Yeah.
Oh no!
No, we're good. It wasn't safe.
Okay.
I don't want to get it to the other end to stop some of the crazy windiness. You can hold the lights up. It's caught on something. It's caught on it. There we go.
It's not Home Depot and IKEA.
Yeah, put together.
So what's the white stuff for?
There we go. What's that?
What's this for?
It's a moisture barrier so that when water gets on the wood, this will wick it away from the wood.
Okay.
And hopefully, it might even keep it not wet in the first place, but I'm not certain how waterproof it is.
Yeah.
All right, let's throw another one up here. Holding the white, thank you. Good tip, or good trick. All right, there we are. From here, it's a matter of making little cuts in the wood which I'm not gonna wear gloves for. So now we have to take the wood. I want to make as few pieces on the floor as possible so it's covered with large pieces of plywood. No seams, fewer seams. So I'm gonna take these pieces of wood and I'm gonna cut little, little C channels around each of these posts on all the wood down the side. But I have a great tool for that. Well, let me show you.
Is it the one tool like you press it up against it and
Wiggles.
it wiggles?
I don't know what it's called,
I
but
was
I call
wrong.
it the wiggly saw. This might be too gentle of a trick. We need to find ourselves on the edge of this one. So that one has
Beyond the corner here, is that okay?
yeah, I'm gonna have to trim that end of it. I don't want to trim the end where the actual baler already is built in place. So I'm not sure this saw is the best saw. If you want to film me, you can. Want to do camera punches? All right, now we try it in place.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. Alright, got a little bit to get on the edge here. Nice. That's where we need it. Right. That saw blade is terrible.
That was rough. Good job.
Luckily that's up in a storage thing and we won't see it.
Penny took it upon herself to eat the wood.
That's both super cheap plywood and maybe a crappy blade. That's the crappiest plywood I've ever worked with. It's crazy. There it is.
Nice.
Number one. Alright. So I'm checking to make sure I have some overlap on this piece underneath the frame that goes across the floor. And then this is my first floor screw going back. Come on now. Look at boy at. They are self-tapping, but sound.
Yeah.
Oi. Uh-oh. Guess I'll be pre-drilling all these. That's another step. No worries. The circular saw did not do a great job in the plywood. I'm not even sure what's the story. It may be the cheapest plywood I've ever seen in my life. The blade is the same blade I've used on other things. It's not like it's a different blade. I don't know. I'm able to pre-drill these holes and get the last screws in there nice and firmly all along the edge here. The trailer is 14 feet on the floor, and as it turns out, thankfully, I have a central beam that goes across the floor here just about at 8 feet. It's like 7 feet 11 inches right near the axle. So I'm able to get that 8-foot piece of plywood to meet up with another one right on that beam, and then it comes back to the kitchen.
probably gonna get a 16.
Could be.
Boy, nice one.
There's a floor!
I see.
Oh, yep, already got a puncher. Damn! That is cool. Hello, camera. It is cold. Like the metal's cold. It's weird.
So what are your impressions?
Looks
I like
awesome.
it.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
Going for the walls.
Yeah, I'm super excited for the teardrop shape.
Oh, I do like jungle gym.
Yeah,
It's fun.
jungle gym boat's fun. But what I'm excited for is the teardrop shape because I've been anticipating that for a while. Penny. Okay,
Let's go youngest to oldest. What are you looking forward to most?
destination-wise, I'm excited to be out west again. And for the camper, I'm excited to have a lot of bed space because I get a lot of extra bed space because there's a hallway that nobody uses and I can just lay out as long as I want.
Oh,
Hey, that's so great.
What about you boys?
I can wait to get to Tennessee.
The destination?
Yeah, I can't wait to get to the desert and have sufficient leg room.
Destination specific?
Destination.
Whatever. What are you looking forward to?
Should the full trip happen, Banff and Jasper National Park.
It's a place with
Canada.
mountains.
But overall, hiking.
We're traveling to a
Can you step on the toilet? I'm gonna try to do that.
Oh, this is okay. Oh, blast you down. Oh, I'm balancing on the inch wide. Why would you?
I ended up coming back the next night to finish up the floor. Everybody's pretty excited to get underway. We are hoping that the lockdown from this spring will be over and we'll be able to do some road tripping this summer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on YouTube.